One of the biggest things that made me come back this year was just how much of an impact everything had on me. From talking to professors, from being around the researchers, from having the hands-on part of being a student worker, and having the hands-on part of just being a class up here. Being able to so quickly jump from different habitats, I think, is one of the things that I've really been able to take away from up here. Getting to see fish management in a Great Lake and getting to see migratory bird populations, things like that are just kind of everyday experiences here. Any donations to Stone Lab are used to help people like me get an opportunity to spend time up here. It's made it possible for me to come up the last 2 years, spend time on the island, learn, take classes, grow as a person and in my knowledge of my field. There's so many people who love this place, and donating is an opportunity just to grow more people who love this place and care about it so much.